Hello everyone, I'm Joyce and welcome back to Wondershare FamiSafe. We hope that you are all having a great and productive day. As you all know, we are coming up in front with an online parental control solution that helps parents protect their children from dark sides of the online world. Well, today's video will be about how to set up YouTube Parental Control on your iPad. As we all know, YouTube has turned out to be a one-stop destination for all of us. From children to adults, everyone is using YouTube for multiple tasks. But we cannot forget that the content on YouTube is equipped with every type of content. Well, if you are a parent who is worried just because your child is investing a lot of time on YouTube, and you have no clue what he or she is doing, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 methods that the built-in YouTube app can be helpful in setting up parental control on your kid's iPad. It is helpful in keeping your kids away from harmful content. There is a lot more for you to explore in this video. So stay tuned until the end and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and click on that like button as well. Share and comment on this video at the end. Since you have already subscribed to our channel, just have a look at the methods you can try out. First method, set up YouTube Parental Controls on YouTube app for iPad. So to begin with, you are on the safer side this time because Safe Search is the parental control accessible on YouTube. But to do the same, you need to set it up. To do so, just launch the YouTube app and sign in with your account. Then go to YouTube icon and hit on the settings menu. Now the settings menu will appear right in front of you. And from there, hit on the strict button. This is one of the simplest ways how parental control on iPad can be set up on the YouTube app. But this doesn't come to an end here because your kids are much more smart than you think. And if you restrict the app, they'll try to use the web browser. So here's the next method to set up the parental control. The second method, set up YouTube Parental Controls on the iPad web browser. You can set up YouTube Parental Control on the iPad web browser. For this, there is a particular set of steps that you will need to follow. First of all, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Be sure not to open the app, only open it in the web browser. Then perform the sign in with the available credentials. Go to Settings and find the Off option and just click on it. And this is it. YouTube Parental Control iPad will automatically detect its website content and filter it for limited access. Make note that if your child is trying to access the adult content in the Safari web browser, they can't do it anymore. Third method, set up parental controls on YouTube with iPad screen time. Well, these 2 methods are helpful when your child is in need of using the YouTube app and can't resist doing it. But if you have a child who has no clue about YouTube and there is nothing that they can do about it, then simply set up parental control on YouTube with iPad screen time. Yes, whenever your child is using the iPad, they will not find out about the YouTube app. First, click on the settings on the iPad and find the screen time option. Then move to Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable it. Select Content Restrictions and then Apps. Now choose 12+. Once you do this, the 12+ rated apps will get blocked. Having said that, YouTube will be inaccessible to your kid now, as it has a rating of 17+. There's one more thing that I would like you all to know. This only works for YouTube app. If you want to accomplish this from the YouTube website, head to Screen Time, followed by content and privacy restrictions. Now move to web content and click on Limit Adult Websites. If this option doesn't work as you want it, then you can simply add the website under the Never Allow section and mention the URL of YouTube as youtube.com to block YouTube completely. Remotely monitor and block videos and channels on YouTube by using FamiSafe. I hope now you know how you can block out YouTube completely when your child is having his screen time. But we cannot deny the fact that right now most parents are considering YouTube as a distraction during their mealtime. Well, if this is the case, there is an option to remotely monitor and block the videos and channels on YouTube with the help of FamiSafe. Yes, that's right. This tool comes up with a YouTube content detection feature, helping parents to track the risky keywords from inappropriate video titles, comments, descriptions, and others. If your child has been subscribed to, liked, post, or comment on such videos, this detection feature can help you to get it. Customized alerts will be sent to parents if there are any danger signs of their kids' iPhones or iPads. And here's how you can do this with FamiSafe. First of all, download and install FamiSafe on your and your kid's device. Open the navigation bar and tap on YouTube Content Detection. Then click Connect Account and then enter your kid's account information to connect. Now you can tap on the three dots on the right top and choose Suspicious Text Space by toggling the switch beside the category to enable or disable the category, then tap Edit to add words. Besides choosing one, click the three dots on the right top and tap Add Suspicious Word if you would like to add self-defined risky keywords as well. Now, under Potential Issues, you can check videos that contain suspicious text. Meanwhile, you can block YouTube on Safari by using Web Filter feature on FamiSafe. And that's it. With FamiSafe, you will have all the information to protect your children from dangers of YouTube, such as inappropriate content, cyberbullying, online predators, and internet addiction. It's considered as the top among the parental controls iPad. There are many wonderful features on it, and by using it, you can easily detect disturbing videos with keywords alert on YouTube. So yes, this was all about how you can set up parental control on your iPad easily. And do not forget that it is essential for parents to keep their children away from this online world where unnecessary stuff is available. Teenagers usually get affected by it and they have no clue what to do next. Please try to not force them to stop using such applications. Instead, let them know about the good and the bad things and discuss the potential risks with them so that they can understand what is your perspective and that you only want their safety. When your child is downloading YouTube on their iPad, be sure to get our parental control application to protect them from the unnecessary dangers of YouTube. That's all from today's video. I hope this video will help you know more about setting up YouTube parental control on your kid's iPad. And if you have any questions about YouTube parental control, please feel free to leave a comment down below and let's have a discussion about that. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye-bye.